What you gotta use to share this out? A ladle or a cup?
Nobody know what a ladle. What is it?
A ladle. A ladle.
Nobody know what a ladle is, bro. Yo, today, my wife, Chinese wife, what's she making today? Look at what is this?
Porridge.
Porridge. This is cornmeal porridge she made
Porridge.
today.
Wow.
Look at this.
Here, because you guys love to, you love to talk all that. What is it? What is it called?
Long line water.
Y'all need to stay hydrated, okay?
Yo,
Shit.
she mad at the people that want TikTok that's frying her, bro.
And stop saying coconut milk goes into the thing.
Coconut milk go in what?
In what? We got.
They say coconut milk go in curry goat or something.
Y'all put coconut milk in your curry?
Nah, I don't
Jamaican
think so.
people don't put coconut milk in their curry. That's Thai people, bro.
Yeah,
or maybe like the other people, like.
If you guys keep talking smack talk, you guys are gonna get smacked in the face.
I don't think so.